Continue. Yeah, man. Eat that, you know. Hello, sir. And them can come on, sir. If you want to see, you can see. Steam fish and everything in the place of passy. Yeah. Rice and peas. We're going to do some veg now. Veg we're going to do. No joke. No joke. This we're going to slice up. Brutal and crucial. Brutal and crucial. Brutal and crucial. Brutal and crucial. Red onion. Red honey. Let's do this. Brutal and crucial. Yeah, man. Set us at the table. So we do it. Very sturdy. And what goes in the ghetto. Yeah, man. Brutal and crucial, you know. We have some lettuce. Yeah, man, I have to show them how to go. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Yeah. So you do it. Some lettuce. I'm gonna pop a leaf and make sure we have good lettuce, fresh lettuce. This is how we do it, like this. Rinse it with some salt before it gets salt. Wash out all the smear. Wash it out for what I do. Alright, so now tear them off. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. So this is a set. So you can look at this here. Move it around. This what should I do? Yeah. Anybody wanna like this? Yeah. Shoot like this. Shoot off on them. Shoot off on them. There it is. Yes. Well presentable. Everything shot. And now we have the steam. Everything will this I think. This is magic. This is where the magic happens. Alright, so you see it? Ready, I know. Ready. 10 pound of fish head. A lot. Snapper head. 10 pound snapper head. Everything in here. One heap of okra. Well fleshy. Well flesh, I mean flesh. Whole heap of flesh. So I eat that right now. I go tune out. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your channel. Share the video. Yeah. Yep. Fish head a steam. good rice and peas or so. Yeah. We have a nice vegetable settings, you know. That's how we do it. We do it